Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare chickpeas and Nadenitza. So the first thing is I put a bit of oil into the bottom of a pan. I'm frying onions and garlic. Now come over here and look at the chickpeas. Hold on, I'll just move them down here. Don't get too close there. Okay, so the chickpeas have been soaking. This is the second or third change of water since this morning, and I've discarded the water. So the longer you can soak them for, the better. They're still very hard in there, but we're going to boil them for a while. And then what I've done is I bought fresh this morning some really good Nadenitza. I'll just get them and show you. Right, okay, so these are Nadenitza. So they're basically a Bulgarian sausage, a big fat sausage. These are basically ones made at the butcher shop, so they're really good. They're not supermarket ones, so they're full of meat. You can see there's fat there, but it's also full of meat. And they're pork, I think pork and chicken Nadenitza. Okay, so we're going to chop those sausages and put in with the chickpea soup. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to boil the chickpeas, because I want to boil the chickpeas before adding them to anything, so I can remove the scum. They typically get a lot of scum on the surface. So that's the first thing, get those things going there. I'll add a bit more water, but first we're going to just put, that was the mushrooms that we got earlier today, the wild mushrooms. Let's get the gas on. Oops, wrong one. Okay, got the gas on there. Just turn that down a bit, and we'll add some salt to this. Right, okay, that's enough salt. And give them a bit of a stir, and we'll get those boiling. I'll add a bit more water to that now. Okay. The chickpeas are boiling. You got all this scum that's on the surface. Going to take that off as it goes. It's not boiling yet, obviously, but you've got this scum coming up on the surface, and we'll remove that. Right. There'll be a lot of it forming in there. Okay. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I've been boiling the chickpeas. The chickpeas are tender. I'm going to pour them into here. This is the onions I fried up with some sweet paprika, and I'm going to put some more water in there in a minute, but that's the chickpeas. So what we're going to do, we're going to partially cook the Nadenitza in the grill pan, just here. I'll just show you. So in a grill pan, just turn on the gas there, let's see. Okay, and we'll cook the Nadenitza in that. And in the meantime, we'll just get these going underneath there too. Boil them away. Turn that down low. And we're going to add some herbs and spices to that. Okay, let's. Okay, we're just going to cut up some of this fresh parsley bought this morning, and put this into the chickpeas. Okay, just follow me now, and I'll put this in the chickpeas. Fresh parsley. Mix that around in there. So I've got onions, garlic, fresh parsley, and it'll be a chickpea kind of soup, stew. Right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to, these are really fresh and good. Oops, take these. And I think that's about enough. We'll cook for the rest back in the fridge. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prick these like this, so we're going to partially cook them and then put them into the stew, and they'll give some good flavour. Alright, just follow me here. And I'll put the lid on that. Alright, let's move on. Right, okay, we're going to cut up some of these sausages now and put into the chickpeas. Give it extra good flavour. Not the best thing cutting on a pan with the knife. I have to sharpen the knife after this, for sure. You can see that, and just give it a bit of a stir around. Hold on a minute. Look at that. Yep. Okay. We will let that simmer for a while. Okay.